I'm sure you've heard the news. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for making money online, and it's easier than ever before. With the right strategies and a bit of dedication, you can turn your skills and passions into a lucrative online business. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 proven ways to make money online in 2024. So, let's dive right in. Making money online is easier than ever. The internet has democratized opportunities, allowing anyone with a computer and an internet connection to start earning. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-time online business, there are numerous paths you can take. Let's explore 5 of the most effective methods. First up, freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular choice for many people looking to make money online. It offers flexibility and the ability to work on a variety of projects. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or have any other marketable skill, there are tons of gigs waiting for you on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, providing a steady stream of opportunities. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, there are tons of gigs waiting for you on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills, set your rates, and choose projects that interest you. The key to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio and maintaining good relationships with clients. Next, let's talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping is another fantastic way to make money online. With dropshipping, you can start an online store without holding any inventory. This means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. This business model allows you to focus on marketing and customer service, while the supplier handles the logistics. Shopify and WooCommerce are great places to begin. These platforms make it easy to set up and manage your online store. They offer a range of tools and integrations to help you streamline your operations and grow your business. With the right products and marketing strategy, dropshipping can be a highly profitable venture. Now let's move on to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales, you can generate revenue without having to create your own products. This method is particularly effective if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. You can recommend products that align with your content and audience, and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Amazon Associates is a popular choice for beginners. It's easy to sign up and start promoting products from one of the largest online retailers in the world. With millions of products to choose from, you can find items that resonate with your audience and start earning commissions. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to build trust with your audience and provide valuable recommendations. Next, let's discuss online courses. Online courses are a fantastic way to share your knowledge and expertise with others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell courses on a wide range of topics. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or have a unique skill to share, there's an audience willing to pay for your insights. Creating an online course requires some upfront work, but once it's live, it can generate passive income for years to come. People are willing to pay for your expertise. By creating high-quality, engaging content, you can attract students from all over the world. The key to success with online courses is to provide value and continuously update your content to keep it relevant. Lastly, let's talk about content creation. Content creation is a powerful way to make money online. Whether you start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast, you can monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The key to success in content creation is consistency and authenticity. By regularly producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can build a loyal following and generate significant income. Ad revenue and sponsorships can be quite lucrative. As your audience grows, you'll attract more advertisers and sponsors willing to pay for exposure to your followers. Additionally, you can create and sell your own products, such as ebooks, courses, or merchandise, to further monetize your content. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll see the rewards. Building a successful online business takes time and effort, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. So, start exploring these opportunities today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Happy hustling! Now, let's delve deeper into each of these methods to give you a clearer picture of how you can get started and succeed. Starting with freelancing, it's crucial to identify your niche and target market. Specializing in a specific area can help you stand out and attract clients who are looking for your particular expertise. Building a strong portfolio is essential. Showcase your best work and highlight your skills and experience. A well-crafted portfolio can make a significant difference in attracting potential clients. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Join online communities and forums related to your field and connect with other freelancers and potential clients. Moving on to dropshipping, it's important to choose the right products to sell. Conduct market research to identify trending products and niches with high demand. Use tools like Google Trends and social media platforms to gauge interest and popularity. Once you've selected your products, focus on creating a user-friendly and visually appealing online store. Effective marketing is key to driving traffic to your store. Utilize social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Engage with your customers through email marketing and provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. For affiliate marketing, content is king. Create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, your content should provide value and encourage your audience to take action. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your affiliate links and optimize your strategies accordingly. When it comes to online courses, focus on creating comprehensive and well-structured content. Break down complex topics into easy-to-understand modules and include practical examples and exercises. Engage with your students through discussion forums and live Q&A sessions to enhance their learning experience. Lastly, for content creation, consistency is crucial. Develop a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Continuously improve your content by staying updated with the latest trends and incorporating feedback from your audience. Remember, success in making money online doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Stay motivated, keep experimenting with different strategies, and don't be afraid to take risks. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with making money online. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you choose freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, online courses, or content creation, each method offers unique opportunities and potential for success. Start exploring these options today and take the first step towards building a profitable online business. Happy hustling, and here's to your success in 2024 and beyond. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting facts and insights on making money online. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. Until next time, keep hustling and stay motivated.